everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in this video to do one English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video. That is about describing a place, a peaceful place you have visited. So this was a cue card which I've chosen for speaking in this video. So I hope you watch this video till the end and you can basically see myself like how I'm basically doing the practice. That is how you can build your confidence and your belief system in yourself that you can also do the same thing, because the one thing which is very important in everybody's life is he should need to believe in his attitude, in his decisions whichever they are taking, because if he didn't basically have a belief, so how basically he can achieve. So that is what most important, and I am basically going to upload multiple videos on this YouTube channel regarding English, because initial days I have found out a lot of self doubt in myself. Because of that, I cannot able to basically think about that I can able to basically speak English by myself only. I don't need to basically need a tutor as well. So this is very eye opening for me, and after that I start uploading video. So let's jump into this topic, right? So there are multiple places where I visited in peaceful places such as temples and adventurous tracking as well. So there is one thing which I want to talk about, that is there is 5 to 10 minutes away from my house. There is one temple which is very ancient, and there is a temple which is Lord Shiva, and that is particularly I feel like the peaceful place in my life. And basically I went there, and there's too much of basically silence, and along with that there is beside from temple there is a track where people's coming up there and just walking in the evening and morning as well. And there you can basically do some sort of spiritual activity, and along with that you can basically do a physical activity. Both you can do, and that's why I found out this place peaceful. And along with that there is lots of trees where you can get a natural air, and along with that in the between there is lake as well, and there is lot of animals you will find such as ducks and birds and peacocks. So these all things makes the place very peaceful. And along with that there is a lot of people who do yogas in the morning as well. So I basically try to do that, and there is a lot of people who are like doing this kind of activities. So after watching them, it makes me that I should need to do the same thing, and I just try it in a first time. So it feels very good, because if you are thinking particularly or one thing, so your mind whatever you have, so that is basically thinking on only one thing. That is how you can basically build the concentration on your tasks. So this is actually I've tried, and along with that I basically visited with my parents, and so yeah, it was a very a good day basically. So that is all about the cue card, and I think I should need to speak for more than 2 minutes. I think in upcoming video as well I'm going to do that, and there is a lot of things which need to be improved, and I'm trying to work on it. So yeah, for today's video that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye bye.